Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you and tell you how you can find the history of comments on YouTube, as well as highlight some comments. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes and also write your comments. And let's get started. So, first we're going to open up our YouTube. Then at the bottom, we'll go to our YouTube account. And at the top, we'll click on the gear. And then we're going to go to the whole story management. Then we'll have a menu like this, similar to the Google account menu. And now we will need to swipe at the top in order to go into interactions. And then we'll find comments and replies. And click on that. And here we're going to see all of our comments that we've ever left on YouTube under any video. And we'll have them in chronological order. First the newer ones, and then the older ones. And if you want to delete a comment, then you just have to. Click on this cross here. And as you can see, that deletes the comment. And that's how you can find your YouTube comment history very easily. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to put likes, be sure to write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you later.